Alright guys, I am here in the beautiful downtown Naperville area and I want to do a quick mic test for you. I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black and we're going to be testing it out with the GoPro, with the Rode Micro, and then comparing it to the normal Hero 7 Black edition normal camera without the external mic to see, how the audio quality is on the internal microphone compared to the external microphone. So this is the test. I'm holding it about arm's length out with my, again, GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition and the Micro, Rode Micro. It's a bit slippery, so I'm trying to be cautious here, and it's snowing. I wanted to pick today just because it's a bit windy. So the whole point of having the Micro with the dead cat on it is to eliminate any wind noise that might be captured. So we'll take a look and see what that sounds like with it on right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and put it in normal housing to see what that looks like. Any of the products that I'm using, I will leave a link below so you guys can check it out. And if you want to buy it off Amazon, it'll be a quick purchase, and of course with Prime you get free shipping. So check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out for the normal camera without the external mic now, and I'll see you in a second. Alright, and I am back. I got it switched out to the normal internal microphone now. The external one I've taken off. We'll check and see what this sounds like, and see if there's any wind that's picked up by this versus the external mic or not, and you guys be the judge of what sounds better. But I want to quickly show you the assembly that I was using. Here's the Video Micro Pro on a mount that I use, and again I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out, pick it up for yourself. The reason I got this external piece on top, this extender, is because if you got the Video Micro on it, the dead cat casts a shadow over the camera, and you really can't get good lighting, and sometimes you can actually see the dead cat in the camera itself. So here's a little bit of wind. I'll turn it back around, see what this might sound like to you guys. I personally like the dead cat on it. I've used this for quite a bit of videos, at least family videos, and the quality is great, the audio is great. But for some people the internal one might work. So check it out, see what you guys think, leave comments below on what works best for you, and enjoy the rest of this footage.